Sa paglamig ng panahon at pagyakap ng hamog sa kalupaan ng Benguet, hanap ng karamihan ang maaroma at mainit-init na kape to slow down and to feel thy inner self. Ang slow morning feels na ito, achieve ng bagong bukas na cafe sa SM City Baguio. Ang interior design kasi mala Victorian at highly influenced pa ng American architecture.
We more focus on the homey feeling of the guests para at least they will enjoy. Parang nagkakape lang sila sa bahay nila.
Pero hindi lang basta disenyo ang hatid nila. Pagpasok pa lang kasi sa cafe, bubungad ang aroma ng mga itinitimplang kape. Ang mga ito mula mismo sa local coffee growers sa Benguet at Mountain Province.
We are really proud of it. Building a specialty coffee is hindi biro. So we keep on pushing para even the farmers, the roasters, and we as the coffee shop is in-inspire namin ang isa't isa so that the sustainable industry ng coffee natin dito sa Pilipinas is still mabubuhay.
Ang tamang sipa ng aroma ng kape na sinabayan pa ng katamtamang pait at tamis, pasok sa panlasa ng mga customer.
I found their coffee really, I'm very intentional when it comes to coffee talaga. So, sila yung may isang coffee na talagang pag ininom mo, you'll say, you're really having coffee.
Their coffee, what is important is their coffee comes from the farmers coming from Benguet, no? I'm a fan of the farming community of Benguet also, coffee and cacao. So I like it when they patronize our own. So a perfect coffee with a perfect setting, it makes your day.
It's a matter of if I say you deserve a good cup of coffees. Ito kasi yung parang uupo ka na pag iniinom mo yung kape mo, it's somewhat at the back of the bar is andun yung farm to cup. Ito po yung mga hard works of the people behind the bar. So these are the farmers, processors, roasters, not only their hard work but also their passions. So at least parang we always inform the guests na you deserve a good cup of coffee and thank you so much for supporting the local community kasi they deserve naman po talaga.
Gaya raw ng proseso ng paggawa ng kape mula sa sakahan hanggang sa tasa, nagpapahiwatig raw na ang tamang timpla ng buhay hindi minamadali. Kaya naman relax lang, hinga ng saglit at sabayan ng agos ng buhay, one cup of good coffee at a time. Jose Robert Inventor, RNG News.